My vapor pen won't work, hit, or heat up. If you're experiencing difficulties with your vape pen, this video will show you how to maximize its life and performance. In this demonstration, we'll be using the Bud Touch series platform. Even if you have a different device, the concepts we'll be reviewing can be applied to most vape pens. We have three main parts: the cartridge, the battery, and the charger. The Bud Touch pen has a 510 threading which uses a screw on-off interconnection system. Today we're going to be going over 3 steps on how to maintain your vapor pen. Number 1 is cleaning your vape pen. When you've had your vapor pen for a while, there are a few things you have to do to maintain it so that it works properly. Here we have an example of a battery showing excess residue on the inside of the pen. To keep your vape pen operating properly, you have to clean that residue out. Daily use can lead to leaks which can accumulate inside the battery. Do not use a Q-tip when cleaning your vape pen because the Q-tip will leave cotton fibers. You may end up vaporizing these fibers if they get stuck between the battery and the cartridge. Once you've cleaned your vape pen, it should look something like this. Notice that the center plate in the battery and the cartridge, those two plates must make a clean connection when screwed together. When those two plates make a solid, unobstructed connection, this is what allows the coil to heat up and create the vapor. Once clean, the second thing you want to do is the adjustment on the center plate. Occasionally, when you're screwing the charger on and off, the cartridge on and off, it creates pressure on the battery, pushing the center plate down. When the center plate goes too far down, it won't make a good connection. So to lift up the plate, you're going to need to use a pin, and then you're going to pry the middle plate directly up 2 to 3 millimeters. It's difficult to get that straight up, so you're going to need to push the plate side to side as you see here and go all around inside of the circle. Make sure you bring the plate up evenly so it stays flat. It is important that it stays flat because the battery surface has to be flush with the cartridge in order to make solid contact. You can make this adjustment to the cartridge as well as the battery. No adjustment on the charger is possible, but if any of the pens that you see here need an adjustment, you can adjust any of these. Now sometimes the cartridge plates get pushed down as well, so you can repeat the same fix for the cartridge plate as you did the battery plate. Use your tool to gently pry up all sides, and then make sure once you get the whole thing up and all the way around that the top is level with the cartridge. Okay, make sure it's level with the cartridge, that way it's not sticking out too far. The last thing we're going to focus on is the airflow. The 2 passages you see in the center of the plates are the airflow passages. Once you've finished cleaning the first 2 pieces, the last thing to focus on is cleaning these of any obstructions that could be in the way of getting the vapor to flow through them. Once this is done with proper airflow and clean connection plates, your vapor pen should be working fine. If you're still having problems with your pen, it's possible that your battery might be dead or dying, or that there is a chance you have a problem with your cartridge or charger internally. If you need more information on how to fix a cartridge or charger internally, subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest on maintaining your vape pen. Or if you have any questions or need any parts or pieces or sets, come see us at elegantaware.com.